passenger side, guys. 2015 Ford F-150. We're gonna change oxygen sensor for bank 1 sensor 1. So let me show you what's going on. So bank 1 is on the passenger side. You're gonna locate your exhaust pipe. Okay, so your exhaust pipe right there, and the catalytic converter, your sensor, oxygen sensor on top of it. So that's sensor 2 right there. Above that there's another one. See that one up there? Sensor 1. So we're gonna get our wrench, 22 millimeter wrench, and we're gonna start loosen that up. But before we loosen that up, you gotta pull the wire, cable is connected to the sensors right there. It's kind of behind those other wires. So go ahead. There are 2 wires, one down here for sensor 2, right there, and the other one up in here for sensor 1. So go ahead, disconnect the wire. So that's sensor 2 you're looking at right now, right there. So that's not the wire for that one, but if you trace the wire for this one, it's right up in there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and disconnect that. Okay guys, so I pull it down from the housing, so now you can see it. So you gotta still squeeze the back of here, this side. You got a thing you can squeeze it in, and then you release the clip. Okay, so I got it disconnected out of there. So now you can see. So we can start, grab your 22 millimeter wrench. So here I got my 22 millimeter wrench. And it fits up in there pretty good. See, I can get a turn. There's room. If you got a special socket or oil oxygen sensor socket, you can go ahead and throw it in there, but I can move mine, so I'm gonna go ahead and break. Okay, so I got the old one out of there. So this is the old one, and this is my replacement. So I match them up and make sure they're the same. It was a little pain to get it out, so it's easier to get the tool, the socket, to get it on there, but without the socket it's a pain. It's going to give you a hard time to get it out. I end up gotta take out this wheel. So I take out the passenger side wheel. You can get it from me. You can access it from the side right there too. But yeah, that's it, got it out. So now I'm gonna throw it back in there. So you notice it comes with some anti-seize. Where is it at? So you got some anti-seize on there. All right, so I got the new one back in there. So I'm gonna tighten it down and connect the wire. Okay, so sensor, O2 sensor, bank 1 sensor 1 is back in, and the wire is connected. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wire in the harness back there and get it all fixated, and you're good to go. That's how you replace your O2 sensor, guys. Bank 1 sensor 1, the passenger side. Alrighty guys, so Ford F-150 2015, we had a we just replaced the oxygen sensor, bank 1 sensor 1, passenger side. So now we're gonna start it up and see if, or check engine light is gone. Here you have it. Check engine light is gone. We're good to go. Alrighty, peace out.